Meet Minka and his wife Mansa. They are farmers in rural Africa where they spend long hours in the field to grow food for their family. Their small plot of land has been in Minka's family for generations. It was given to his great-great-grandfather by the local chief and has been passed down to him. Though not required by law, Minka saved enough money to have the land surveyed in order to receive a certificate of customary ownership. This certificate gives him the surface rights to his land, but not the rights to many natural resources such as minerals and oil. One day, mining company officials arrive and tell Minka that the government granted them the rights to the minerals under his land. Beginning in 2 weeks, the company will legally occupy and use Minka and Mansa's farmland as necessary to extract minerals. Minka and Mansa can continue to plant, but only if it does not interfere with mining operations. If they do, they will be fined or even imprisoned. They are in a bind. They can't continue to use all of their land to grow food, but they don't qualify to be resettled because the land is still theirs. Minka and Mansa are not alone. Thousands of families face this same hardship due to their limited land rights. In much of Africa, minerals, oil, timber trees, wildlife, and other valuable natural resources are the property of the government, which chooses when and where these resources are used, regardless of land ownership. When landholders are not included in decisions that affect their land and livelihood, it often leads to poverty, civil unrest, and even violent conflict. If landholders held the rights to the natural resources on and below their land, they would be in a better position to negotiate with mining companies over the use of their land. WRI works with governments, civil society, businesses, and others to secure land and natural resource rights for citizens like Minka and Mansa. To learn more about our work on property rights, visit us at wri.org/property rights.